na ako.
To avoid your unit in mid condition, if you want to be, don't scratch this one, just follow the one I do. Squeeze it like this and ready to put it on. So now you already avoid the time consuming wait for order it, so I just do it myself. And I do this kind of winterize. I remove this spark plug and drop some oil. If you want to keep your equipment or weed eater for a long time, just dab some a little bit oil there and put it back. I already removed the gas too. So I left it open like this for like 24 hours so that it release the smell there and dry everything. And even the carburetor is dry too. Because after I dumped this one, I started for like until stop and pour it in a choke. Pull the string again to start, and when it stops, so make sure already your carburetor is already dry, ready to keep. And I removed the oil too. So it's good to have a little bit oil inside so that you're not gonna get any rust there when you keep it away for a long time. So this one is 11 years Husqvarna 224L. That's why this one it get beetle. That's why I do it myself. So I just planning to keep this one because I have another old one that I use. So that be it. I put the head back, put this one on. Make sure if you want to don't scratch your cover of oil filter, do the one I do too. The best thing is to remove this one instead of squeezing here. You need to squeeze all the way back there. If you keep on squeezing it right here in the top, you're not gonna open it. They have a little bit secret there. Just squeeze right there all the way to the back and pull this one out. So it's ready. It's give me a little bit hard to when I opened it the first time earlier. Now I know how we're gonna open it. So I just want to share you guys. So already put the cover on. Make sure when you pour it, this one is out. Or else you're not gonna put it in like in a right position, and be careful to this one. Make sure it's lined up. And if you can see, the gasket is out. So not in, or else you're gonna end up break that gasket there. And after you put this oil, so and anything oil that you have, you can just pull this one a little bit, so that is distribute the oil, everything to the inside the engine, to lubricate that and keep on not to get some rust when you keep it away. So tight this one. If it is snug, stop it. So stop it there and grab the cover. Put this one in. Everything's lined up. So everything's back together. So how do you do your filter by your own? And I just do the winterize too. So that's the easy way to winterize your, most especially in this Husqvarna. This one is 224L. They make it in a factory 2014, so it's 11 years unit, brand new. I just try to clean it because this one is the air filter is already brittle, so I just clean it and keep it for a long time again. Bye-bye. Thanks.